In this video, we will study about the types of acquired immunity. Acquired immunity. When we talk about the acquired immunity, means the type of immunity which we acquire after birth from the effect of environmental condition. When we take in detail about this acquired immunity, that is acquired after birth, means बर्थ के बाद जब बॉडी में एनवायरमेंटल इफेक्ट से हम इम्यूनिटी को एक्वायर करते हैं, दैट इज नेम्ड एज द एक्वायर्ड इम्यूनिटी. दिस एक्वायर्ड इम्यूनिटी अगेन डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स. फर्स्ट इज नेम्ड एज द एक्टिव immunity. This type of active immunity means the type of immunity which is developed by person's own resistance produced in cells so that they can resist infection. And this type of immunity is acquired from infection as well as from vaccination. Means when we acquire an infection, suppose that a person suffering from the smallpox first time, then at that time the production of antibodies in that person is very slow, hence this person suffer from the disease smallpox. But after that, if the subsequent encounter of that disease takes place again, even a year after, then its body become resistant. Why? During the first encounter, the body of that person develops the memory cell, so that during the subsequent encounter, the memory cell can recognize the entry of the pathogen causing the smallpox, produce the lymphocytes, so that encountering pathogen get killed in the person's body. That type of the immunity is known as the active immunity. Means जो पर्सन्स की बॉडी के अंदर इमीडिएटली और खुद से प्रोड्यूस हो रही हैं, और यहाँ पर जो प्रोड्यूस्ड इन सेल्स, तो वो किस टाइप के सेल्स प्रोड्यूस होंगे? दीज आर द एंटीबॉडीज, एंड दीज टाइप ऑफ द एंटीबॉडीज मेक द बॉडी रेजिस्टेंट फ्रॉम द इन्फेक्शन. दिस टाइप ऑफ द इम्यूनिटी इज long lasting but very slow. Rate of formation of antibody is very slow, so that the person acquired the disease during the first encounter. But when one first time the memory cell get produced, then after that, even year after, the body is resistant to the same type of the disease. So we can say it the long lasting, and it is not create any प्रॉब्लम. लेकिन किसी भी टाइप का कोई भी प्रॉब्लम बॉडी में क्रिएट नहीं करती. इफ वी डिस्कस अबाउट द डिटेल इन द एक्टिव इम्यूनिटी, देन दिस एक्टिव इम्यूनिटी is of two types. This active immunity is, first we can say that the natural immunity, and second is the artificial immunity. Natural immunity and artificial immunity. This natural immunity is acquired by an organism from infection of some pathogen, for example smallpox. Second we can say measles, and third is the mumps. मीन्स इन तीनों डिजीज से अगर एक बार एनकाउंटर के टाइम इन्फेक्शन हुआ, तो जब इनका सब्सिक्वेंट एनकाउंटर होगा तो बॉडी के अंदर एक नेचुरल एक्टिव इम्यूनिटी क्रिएट हो चुकी है, और उस एक्टिव इम्यूनिटी में रिजल्ट क्या होगा, एंटीबॉडीज प्रोडक्शन कंटिन्यू है, जो कि लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है बट स्लो रेट के साथ है और कोई भी प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट नहीं करेगी, सो दैट सब्सिक्वेंट एनकाउंटर को हम अपनी बॉडी से रेजिस्ट कर सकते हैं, उस पर्सन की बॉडी में वो डिजीज दोबारा से नहीं होगी। सेकेंड हम लेते हैं यहाँ पर आर्टिफिशियल इम्यूनिटी। आर्टिफिशियल इम्यूनिटी जो इमीडिएटली बॉडी के अंदर वैक्सीनेशन के थ्रू एक्वायर की जाती है, सो दैट इज द आर्टिफिशियल इम्यूनिटी टेकन artificially by inoculation of vaccines. And what type of vaccines can be given? Vaccine can be attenuated, or you can say the weakened pathogen, may be killed vaccine or may be live vaccine. Different types of vaccines are there. For example, we are taking the BCG, that is given against the tuberculosis disease. This BCG vaccine is the combined vaccine. Triple vaccine is also known as, that is given for the disease, for the resistance of the disease tuberculosis. तो जैसे ये BCG का इंजेक्शन बॉडी में इंजेक्ट किया जाता है, that consists of the weakened pathogen in it, और वो weakened pathogen हमारी बॉडी में धीरे धीरे स्लो एंटीबॉडी प्रोडक्शन को इंक्रीज करता है, और उसके बाद जब कोई भी पर्सन हैविंग द BCG वैक्सीनेशन, अगर वो किसी भी टीबी या ट्यूबरकुलोसिस पैथोजन के सामने, या हम कहें कि उसके इन्फेक्शन के थ्रू गो ऑन रहेगा, तो उससे रिजल्ट क्या होगा कि उसकी बॉडी में ये ट्यूबरकुलोसिस डिजीज ग्रो नहीं करेगी। क्यों? क्योंकि उसकी बॉडी में पहले से एंटीबॉडीज प्रोडक्शन हो चुका है। सेकेंड, वी आर टेकिंग पोलियो वैक्सीन। दिस पोलियो वैक्सीन ऑल्सो गिव द रेजिस्टेंस against the polio disease. So this is the type of immunity that is provided by the vaccination, and both the type of immunity which produce antibodies in our body or our body cell produced actively, this type of immunity is known as active immunity. Second type of immunity we are taking, that is the passive immunity. In this passive immunity, the ready-made antibodies injected into the body of a पर्सन मीन्स यहाँ पर रेडीमेड एंटीबॉडीज को बॉडी के अंदर इंजेक्ट किया जा रहा है। तो यहाँ पर रिजल्ट क्या है कि पैसिव इम्यूनिटी को भी फर्दर हम दो ग्रुप में क्लासिफाई कर सकते हैं। फर्स्ट इज नोन एज द नेचुरल इम्यूनिटी, एंड सेकेंड इज द आर्टिफिशियल इम्यूनिटी। Natural immunity means which is taken by natural means, but it is a type of passive immunity. It is transferred from mother to the fetus through placenta. Means the body produce the antibodies in the mother's body, and they get transferred to the fetus body through the connection of the placenta. And what type of immunoglobulins are given? This IgG is transferred through the placental connection. So it is known as the passive immunity. One reason behind it, produced by the mother body, and these ready-made antibodies produced by mother transferred to the fetus body. Second type is the artificial immunity, in which the body takes antibodies from outside source. For example, if a person suffering from a tetanus infection, then for curing that tetanus infection, the injection anti-tetanus is given anti-tetanus is given to protect him from that tetanus infection. Also, if a person suffering from any kind of the bacterial disease, then for curing this bacterial disease, certain kinds of antibiotics are given. These antibiotics consist of the antibodies for killing of the bacteria. So this passive type of immunity is not long lasting, they have the fast effect but have some problems, but it creates some problems. For example, some persons acquires allergy from these type of the treatment given to certain disease. Long lasting means immediate relief is given. Fast effect, immediate after the giving injection it cause its effect, but it is not long lasting. In every infection it is given by the ready-made antibody. So there is some difference in the active as well as in passive immunity, as well as the types of active immunity as well as the passive immunity type. This is all about the types of acquired immunity.